Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any updates.
Hey guys, this is an unboxing of Vivo X20. This is a first unboxing in YouTube. So let's start. The X20 will feature a 5.8-inch AMOLED display, with aspect ratio of 18:9. The Vivo X20 is powered by Snapdragon 660. This is paired with a 6GB RAM. The X20 should also feature a 24MP dual camera setup on the back, and a 24MP first impression of Vivo X20. Vivo X20 comes with a full-screen display, and also has high screen-to-body ratio when compared to previous Vivo models. But this is nowhere near a bezel-less smartphone. There are still bezels on all four sides, but very much reduced in size. The Vivo X20 have ultra-thin bezels, while the top edge gets its own fair share of bezels wide enough to accommodate the innerpiece, and with dual selfie cameras. The X20 will feature a 5.8-inch AMOLED display with a 2160 by 1080 resolution, and an aspect ratio of 18:9. That is a fashion nowadays. And believe my guys, this screen is gorgeous. It looks stunning. And playing games in Vivo X20 is also enjoyable, because it has bigger display and smaller size. The Vivo X20 has dual cameras, which is located at the top left corner, with the LED flash lying inwardly by its side. The Vivo X20 feature a 24-megapixel dual camera setup on the back, and a 24-megapixel front shooter for selfie. The Vivo X20 is feel-good in hand. I must say this is a best phone by Vivo. As for design, is exactly look like Oppo smartphone. The Vivo X20 is powered by Qualcomm's latest powerful mid-range chip Snapdragon 660. This is paired with a 6GB RAM. The phone is expected to pack in a 3500 mAh battery. It also offers facial recognition feature, Dub Face Unlock front shooter. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.